Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android battery draining fast in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is identify rogue apps in your settings. For that, what you can do is simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on battery users, tap on battery health as well, and check your battery health. You can enable smart charging mode and custom charging mode on your device. The other thing that you can do is simply tap on battery users. From here, you'll be able to see app battery users as well. Once it loads, you can scroll down and see which app is using most of the battery. You can tap on that particular app that's using most of the battery, and you can toggle off allow background users or uninstall the app if it's not necessary on your device. Also head over to your quick settings and enable dark mode on your device. It will also slow down battery users. The other thing that you can do is lower your screen refresh rate. For that, simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, tap on display. Once you're inside display, what you can do is find the display refresh rate and set it to standard, which will also help you save your battery. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.